Audit, not a nice word, right? So when we hear audit, we usually imagine something that has something to do with the authorities going through our books, something that takes a long time, something that probably includes some kind of a fine in the end. So not really a nice thing, but it can be completely different. When we are talking about a Notion audit, it doesn't have to be scary at all, and it can be quick. So here's what it means to have a Notion audit from my perspective. My name is Sanja and I'm a certified Notion consultant. In the last month, I performed 2 Notion audits for 2 different companies, and here's how that looked like. Basically, it started with a discovery call where we talked about their Notion workspace, what are they using it for. They showed me what they actually have inside. They told me what's important for them, what are the goals of using Notion, goals in general for their company as well. So basically 1 hour of discussion. After that, I dived into their Notion workspace on my own. They shared their Notion workspace with me, and I went in, and yes, I did a little bit of digging there. I checked the structure of the team spaces. I checked what is being shared with who, how are the databases structured, and basically, I just went over everything they currently have in their Notion. I didn't read all the documents, of course, that's not an interest of me, but I was checking the basic structure. Then, in the end, I created a document that was both written and a recorded document, a video basically, where I explained what I found. So I explained what I thought is good at the moment, what I think can be done better, and how. So basically, a document with findings and suggestions. In total, that was 4 or 5 hours for each of those companies. Now, of course, it can be more if you are running some huge company with many team spaces. If your Notion workspace is also much bigger than usually, then it can be maybe a double of that. But in general, for a basic company with, I would say, some 20 employees, 5 hours is enough to check your workspace and to give you some guidelines and some suggestions on how to use Notion to get more things done, to collaborate better. So if you're still afraid of Notion audit, please don't be. And if you need some help in figuring out how to best use Notion, how to get the most out of it, do let me know, contact me, and I will be happy to help. Thank you.